Since 1964, this family-owned company has had a relentless passion for the art of baking and is dedicated to the advancement of the baking industry. Started as a small family business in the heartland, today they've grown into the world's leading provider of essential bakeware and equipment, as well as coatings and services for passionate bakers everywhere. Join us in Urbana, Ohio, and meet the team at Bundy Baking Solutions.
At Bundy Baking Solutions, we are passionate about baking. We are the largest manufacturers of industrial and commercial baking pans around the world. We also have 20 facilities that service those pans with non-stick coatings, and we now have an amazing line of retail bakeware called USA Pan. In 1964, my dad, Russ Bundy, started this company out of the trunk of his car, selling used baking pans door to door. In 1974, he started the first service plant to service those baking pans. And 10 years later, in 1988, we started American Pan Company to manufacture pans with 6 old presses in a small little factory. But we had passion, confidence, and we believed through our customer relations and excellent service that we could compete in that market. Today, we're the world's leader in that market because we stayed focused and continually improve and reinvest in our company.
So we manufacture industrial baking pans under our American Pan brand. These are custom pans, very, very large format pans, between 300 and 3,000 per set for every bakery around the world in 94 countries. And then we also have a food service division, Chicago Metallic, that manufactures stock pans. Those pans are a standard size for in-store bakeries, mostly in North America. And then we have a home use brand, USA Pan. These are small pans that would fit in your oven at home, and they're still commercial quality pans.
USA Pan is a durable, high-performance baking pan. It's made the exact same way as our commercial bakeware. It's just much smaller where it fits in your oven. So if you want a true commercial baking pan, use USA Pan.
So we have the largest sales and engineering force in this industry, and our salespeople are in bakeries every 6 to 13 weeks, anticipating our customers' needs, really understanding what they need. And that customer intimacy is really our superpower. We know what they need even before they do, whether it's design-wise on a pan and to avoid damage or to avoid having cripples when they're baking, or if it's delivery or if it's service, we can anticipate that and we can deliver it.
So when I think of Bundy Baking Solutions, my experience is very, very positive. They keep the customer at the core of everything that they do. Their business strategy is all about pleasing the customer and delivering a wonderful experience for the customer while building long-term relationships.
At Bundy Baking Solutions, our mission is to be the most trusted supplier of bakeware and non-stick coatings around the world. And how do we do that? We do that with our great people. We are focused, we are passionate, we are dedicated, and we deliver excellence every day, and that's why we're one of the world's greatest.